It's a beautiful day, and I got a bunch of comments on YouTube. People asking, Tony, we don't understand how to do square downspouts as good as you. We want to be the best of the best. So here we go. We're going to do a 3x4 plain square. And again, I don't have my DJI microphone, so I'm going to ask the camera guy to step closer. All right, so 3x4, we're going to start 4 inches. Yeah, sure. We're going to draw the line across. We just finished the house over there, and they're making too much noise cleaning up. It's a beautiful. That's going to be a separate video, though. Anyway, back over here. I draw my line. I'm going to do 1 3/4 inches. And then right here, I'm going to do 2 1/4 for the bottom measurement. I'm going to draw this across. Now, depending on your fascia soffit board, you can increase the size of the elbow. Here you can see there's nothing in the way, no problem. Then we're gonna use this tool. It's called a bandsaw. So there's a band that plays music, but this is a saw that cuts. So here we go. And you want to make sure you stop. That way you do not overcut right here, because it's going to be visible. So see how that opens up? That means we're good. We're going to cut this open. Get rid of this material. By the way, this is aluminum, just a gutter coil. And then we just make our downspouts from the gutter coil. So this is extra thick. We're gonna keep cutting. Keep cutting here. I know this is a boring video, but for those who wanna learn to do square downspouts, it won't be boring. All right, so we're gonna do glue, GeoCell 2320. We're gonna put it right here and a little bit up. And I'll explain why we need the glue. We're gonna fold the tabs in and fold this in right there. Just like that. We're gonna take a color matching screw, hold the downspout, and bolt it. And the other side. I'm gonna go through. So the glue portion, see how there's glue inside? That way it doesn't leak right here. Very nice. I'm gonna smear it right there, here, and here. So nice and beautiful. No leak. Okay, the other step, I'm gonna go ahead and seal these screws. That way, 100% no leaks. I don't like callbacks. You guys like callbacks? Comment below if you like callbacks. I absolutely hate them. So we have 2 options. We can walk over here. We can go here. Pretend measure. Mark it right here on the back side. Or if there's a wall in the way, you just measure right here, 23. Let's verify if it's 23. So you always measure from the back side right here. 23. Look at that. So you always measure at an angle. So now with this line, all you gotta do is draw it straight. And you copy it to the front. Now we're cutting the face. Cutting the face. What was our measurement? 2 1/4 for the bottom. Bottom is always bigger than the top. I'll write it out for you. So you can pause the video, look. 2 1/4. 1 3/4. You can change those measurements depending on how steep you want your downspout. All right, inch and 3/4. I'm gonna leave a tab right here. I'll show you what that's for. We're gonna go back to our bandsaw. We're not gonna play music, but I heard a guy, let me see a rock. There was one guy, he's like, hey, if you take a rock and you put it to your ear, what music does it play?
I don't know, Tony. What?
Rock music. It's like probably nothing.
Rocking out.
Yeah, that was some guy. It's a little joke for kids, but yeah. I'm gonna leave that tab right there. See how I left that? Respond, yes, I saw that. No, not you, with the other people there. So here we go. Pay attention now, because this is very important, crucial step. We're gonna take a bender, bend this out just a tad. We're also gonna put some glue here. This one does not require glue, but I'm gonna put some anyway. Just to be silly, I guess. Just so I don't get any callbacks. So same thing here. We're gonna take our downspout. See, it gotta be cut all the way here. And then you fold it in right there, just like that. And I put 2 screws usually, so 1, 2.
And there's a particular place you put the screws.
And very strong over here, never leak.
You don't put the screws in the bottom.
Yeah, try not to put the screws in the bottom. That's where the water travels here. So, and then you pass the downspout on, and he'll continue showing you how he installs it. I will help him though too.
Little lunk.
So here's a trick for you. How do you measure this downspout? When it's like this big? Well, here's what you do. You just hold it at an angle from here to the screen. 77. So same thing here. All you do is you measure 77. Right there. And then we're gonna cut it off. Test fit it. It's fine. It might be too long. We're gonna test fit and then make adjustments as needed. Oh, look at that! I would just leave it like that. No circles. Perfect. Show you. That's fine. And that's it. Okay, lift it up. We're gonna put a screw right here. Right there. That way he doesn't have to hold it. Perfect.